Leaving the station in 3, 2, 1.
Make some noise.
Please stay seated until the ride comes to a full and complete stop. A counselor will be around to unbuckle your seatbelt. Thank you.
Only 4 rounds next cycle. Front row.
At that time, push down, then pull up on your left.